Have you ever felt like there's something missing in your life? Like the universe is holding back on all the incredible things you deserve? Well, my friend, you're not alone. We all know the frustration of wanting more, but feeling stuck in the same old patterns. But what if I told you there's a phenomenon that combines the law of attraction with the fascinating principles of quantum mechanics? A method that allows you to access a whole new level of manifestation and unleash your true potential? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the most mind-expanding video you'll ever watch. Get ready to unlock the secrets of manifesting your desires and plunging into the exhilarating world of quantum jumping. Today, we delve deep into the unknown, where the realms of manifestation and quantum physics collide. This is not some new age mumbo-jumbo. Quantum jumping is a scientifically backed concept that has taken the manifestation community by storm. Stay tuned with us on this awe-inspiring journey as we explore the mysteries of quantum jumping, uncovering the secrets behind its incredible power. We'll dive into an interesting, easy yet power manifestation technique that will enable you to tap into the limitless possibilities that lie within you. But wait, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss out on our upcoming videos, packed with transformative knowledge and practical tools to turbocharge your manifestation journey. Okay, let's begin. Quantum jumping is a fascinating concept that challenges our perception of reality and our ability to manifest our desires. It involves behaviors observed at the quantum level that are not typically seen in our daily lives. Just as the Copernican revolution revolutionized our understanding of the solar system, we are on the brink of a similar revolutionary shift in our worldview. Quantum weirdness, including quantum superposition, coherence, entanglement, tunneling, and teleportation, plays a crucial role in our ability to make quantum jump. These behaviors, which occur at the microscopic level, have a profound impact on the macroscopic world that we can readily observe. The concept of quantum jumping challenges the notion of separation. It emphasizes the power and free will we possess to choose our reality. We have the ability to believe in the illusion of separation and lack, or we can recognize that we are not separate from anything we desire. We are, in fact, creation itself. Quantum jumping invites us to explore the idea that everything is a dream or illusion that we can play with and manipulate. It encourages us to embrace our innate power and embrace the possibilities that exist beyond our ordinary senses. Now let's explore how you can apply the attraction in quantum jumping to manifest your desired reality. To start, take a moment to close your eyes and visualize your desired reality. Imagine yourself already experiencing it, tapping into the feelings and emotions associated with your goal. If visualization is challenging, focus on the feeling instead. By doing this, you are tuning into the timeline or reality where your desires have already been fulfilled. Once you have experienced your desired reality, open your eyes and know that what you have just visualized or felt is real. Remember that the physical reality we perceive is an illusion, and what we experience within ourselves is the true reality. From this place of knowing, you can now take action and show up in your life from the state of already having achieved your goal. Every action you take should come from the belief that your desired reality is a done deal. Act as if it has already happened and approach your daily activities with the confidence of knowing that your manifestation is on its way. For example, if your goal is to start a successful business, approach your work as if your business is already thriving. Make decisions and take actions from the perspective of success, rather than waiting for external validation or proof. By doing this, you align yourself with the energy of your desired reality and attract the opportunities and resources needed to manifest it. Manifesting your desired reality through quantum jumping is a fascinating concept that draws on the principles of the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. According to this interpretation, every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple parallel universes. Each of these parallel universes contains a version of ourselves, leading to the possibility of jumping between them. One specific technique within quantum jumping that can help shift your mindset and energy towards a desired outcome is the 2-cup method. The 2-cup method involves using 2 cups filled with water or any other liquid, one representing your current reality and the other representing your desired reality. Here is the stepwise guide to use 2-cup method for manifestation. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Grab 2 cups, a marker, and a beverage of your choice. It could be water, tea, or anything that resonates with you. The cups symbolize your current reality, cup 1, and your desired reality, cup 2. Step 2. Set your intention. Take a moment to reflect on what you wish to manifest. Is it a new job, a loving relationship, financial abundance, or improved health? Clearly define your intention and write it on a sticky note or directly on cup 2. Step 3. Embrace your intent. Hold cup 1 in your hand and connect with your current reality. Recognize and appreciate where you are now, even if it differs from your desired outcome. This step is about acknowledging your starting point and accepting it with a positive mindset. Step 4. Quantum jumping. Visualize your desired reality in vivid detail. Imagine yourself already living in that reality, feeling the emotions and experiencing the joy it brings. As you transfer the liquid from cup 1 to cup 2, visualize the energy of your intention flowing from your current reality to your desired reality. This act represents your quantum jump towards manifestation. Step 5. Embrace the shift. Savor the moment and let the energy of your intention infuse cup 2. Believe that your desired reality is now within reach. Take a sip from cup 2, symbolizing the integration of your new reality into your being. Step 6. Gratitude and release. Express gratitude for the manifestation of your desires and let go of any attachment or doubt. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and will bring your intentions into fruition in divine timing. The 2-cup method is a simple yet powerful practice that can be incorporated into your manifestation and quantum jumping routine. By consistently embodying the energy of your desired reality and making choices aligned with that mindset, you can attract the outcomes you desire. Regardless of how things may currently look in our lives, we have the power to choose how we want to feel and behave. We can wake up each morning and decide what we want more of in our lives, whether it's excitement, passion, freedom, or abundance. By focusing on that feeling and letting it fill our entire being, we can be in the state that we desire. It's important to remember that quantum jumping is not about pretending or denying our current circumstances. It's about choosing to focus on the desired reality and aligning our beliefs, actions, and behaviors with that vision. By doing so, we can manifest our desired reality and overcome the illusion of separation. As we come to the end of our video journey exploring the fascinating world of quantum jumping, we hope that this content has provided you with valuable insights and techniques to manifest your desires. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Your support means the world to us and allows us to continue creating valuable content like this. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share with us how quantum jumping has influenced your life and any successes you have had along the way. Your stories inspire us and our community. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and stepping into the limitless possibilities of the universe.